All right. Beautiful. Let's do this. So today being on a Wednesday, we have so much potential. I hope you agree. All right. So wherever it is you are watching the stream from, whether it's Telegram or YouTube, welcome. Today is on a Wednesday, so much potential. Let's go through the pairs, see what we have. So as usual, when it comes to Wednesday, we begin from the top. So let's look at what happened this week from Monday. So starting with the USD JPY, Monday set the high and the low. Tuesday was an inside day, so we have nothing for us there. Yesterday, Euro GBP gave us, Monday set the high, and then, the low and the high. Tuesday broke out, closed outside of the range, so we have no signal there. GBP NSD, we have Monday setting our high, and then Tuesday continues breaking out, no signal. AUD NSD, we have Monday setting the high and the low. Tuesday breaks out, closes outside of the range, so no signal for us there. Same as GBP CAD. We have Monday setting that low, and then Tuesday sets the high. NSD JPY, this one is interesting. We had the high and the low, and then Tuesday breaks out, closes out inside of the range, giving us a signal day. So we are looking to sell NSD JPY. GBP AUD. So we have that high, that low, price breaks out, closes back inside of the range, giving us a buy signal. AUD CHF. So we have the high set on Monday, and the low set on Monday. Tuesday gives us a failed breakout, so I'm looking to sell today. USD CAD, we have the high on Monday, and then Tuesday breaks out, closes outside of the range, no signal. Dogecoin. So Dogecoin gives us the high on Monday, the low on Monday and the high. Then Tuesday breaks out, closes outside of the range, nothing for us there. Solana, beautiful. Solana gave us a failed breakout, so we are looking to sell Solana. All right, so Monday sets that low and then sets that high. Tuesday breaks out, closes back inside of the range, so looking to sell Solana. XRP gave us a failed breakout, beautiful failed breakout. So we have our low there, our high there. Tuesday breaks out, closes back inside of the range. So we are selling XRP. Ethereum. Ethereum gave us a failed breakout yesterday. Well, it's unclear. So I will put Ethereum on the unclear and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Gold never gave us any signal. So we have Monday setting that low and we have this high Price breaks out, closes outside of the range. So nothing for us there. Same as Aussie dollar. We have our low there, the week, high of the week there. Same as BNB. We have our low there. We have our high of the week there. Price expands the range. Aussie CAD. So we have our low there. And we have our high there. No signal day. Euro NSD, no signal day. So that is our high. That is our low of the week. Moving on. NSD, USD, same. We just have a trending market. Same as AVAX or whatever it's pronounced. We have that high, that low, that high. We wait for today. GJ gave us high of week inside day, so nothing for us. So high of week there, low of week here. Tuesday was an inside day, nothing for us. Bitcoin gave us a failed breakout. We are looking to sell Bitcoin today. So we have our low there. So this was the high. Price breaks out, closes back inside of the range. Now with crypto, usually they move in the later hours. This one is in the New York session in our timing window. All right. So we will sell Bitcoin today. Where were we? Oh, yes, USD CHF. So Swiss franc, nothing really. Euro USD, same as, seems like all these pairs are trending. All right. GU, obviously, same as EU. Then OPAS. OP. All right. I think it's called OP. So this one, I'll put it in the unclear. But yeah, I'll put it in the unclear. I like to see breakouts as breakouts. So DJ30 gave us a sell signal. So we are looking to sell DJ30 today. So you have that low, that high, price breaks out, gives us a failed breakout. So we sell US 30. How about US 100? Even US 100, although US 100 has already started moving. All right, we see you US 100. We are with you bumper to bumper. So US 100 we sell again. EJ gave us an inside day on Tuesday, so we wait. Oil gave us a breakout, so nothing. Eurocard, nothing. Link, yeah, Link. We have Monday, Tuesday giving us, so nothing. And then finally, NSD card, we have nothing. Yes. So now we have how many pairs? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 8 pairs. Now let's look at these pairs and see which ones have potential in this timing window. So we see that GBP-AUD has been consolidating since yesterday. So we've just been in a trading range. So probably, I don't know. So this is not a pair I'm looking to trade today. We'll just plot our high and our low and wait for price to give us a definite move. Now, NSD USD, I mean NSD JPY, still, we don't have a clean pump. So, but it's getting there. It's getting there. We don't have also a clean level. Although this might be a clean level if we see a bullish move back up. US 100 has already started moving. So we can't do anything here. DJ30. So far we don't have anything clear. We are just either consolidating, same as Aussie Swiss franc. Now, Solana, on the other hand, this one looks good because we have a range, a good range. We don't have any level yet. However, we have a range. So this might be a New York session trade. XRP is looking the way it wants. This is not looking beautiful at all. Then lastly, Bitcoin. Bitcoin also has a nice range. So we don't have any level yet. The level, yeah, we don't have a definite level yet. So this might also be a New York trade setup or even a London trade setup. We are still early. We still have 7 more candles remaining. So yeah. All right, now let's talk to people. Let's see who we have here. All right, everybody. I see we have Simeon, Victor, Gomez. Hello, guys. Welcome to the stream. So basically, that is how I analyze my pairs, and I just wait. So yeah, welcome all of you. Now, on Telegram, we can't see who is watching, but whoa. I see the stream ended on Telegram. Okay. Oh, no. It's all right. Yeah, so on Telegram, I see we have also people watching. And too bad, because on Telegram, we have so many people. Maybe they have questions. And also on YouTube, if you have any questions, feel free to ask your questions. But so far, I don't see anything interesting so far. Nothing interesting for me in the London session. So I will keep a good eye on Solana. So Solana might be giving us a level here. We have some pins. It's not a level yet. We need to see. Yes. So for this to become a level, we need to see price come back to this level again and get rejected before breaking down to the downside for the move down. Same as for Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin is clearly in an uptrend. So Solana, Bitcoin, those are my best pairs so far. I'm waiting for DJ30. I'd like to see DJ30 pump up to the high. And NSDJPY is looking like it could give us a nice short scalp. So what needs to happen? So we have this level here. It's not a level yet until. So what I like to see is if this candle closes bullish, then I know we have buying pressure. And now that validates the level. So it's still early. We still have like 11 minutes to go for this candle to close. Or even the next candle. It might come here, get rejected again. But yeah, NSDJPY might be giving us a session scalp back to the low of the day. So I'm going to focus more on this one. So yes, if you're just, yes, hello Betty, welcome. If you're just joining us, feel at home. We are looking at NSDJPY to give us a session scalp back to the low of the day. And we are waiting for that, the current candle to close bullish. Wisdom, welcome. Beautiful, beautiful. Naruto, niaje, poa, niko salama kabisa. So yes, welcome to the stream. Let's do this. Hannah Kemani, welcome. Yeah. Hopefully you guys are implementing all these things. It's very simple. Very simple. Yes, Wisdom, you love the strategy. I love the strategy too. All right, Terence, representing South Africa. Welcome, man. Welcome, welcome. Yes, we see how we have representation from Italy. Yes, Wisdom, welcome. Italy is it French or Spanish or English? I don't know. Yeah. So I'm curious, you guys on YouTube, like, what are some of the challenges, Italian language? What are some of the challenges you guys are facing when you are actually doing your analysis? All right, so I see we have someone asking Euro USD. So obviously, if you look at my watch list, the only pair that I am looking to buy is GBP AUD. And now, Euro USD, I think it's down, all the way down here. For me, I'm not looking to buy Euro USD, but the setup, you know, you can have a buy setup on a sell day, and it's okay, it's okay. So we see we have this level here. And so once the price broke above this level, that would have been your entry. So as it was breaking out, your entry, yes, this is a good setup to go back to the high of the day. But for me, I like to trade once everything is aligned from the higher time frames, the weekly cycle, down to the levels. So yeah, it looks like a good buy, but not for me. Yes, I have a Telegram group yes, let me actually post that link on the comments or somewhere where you can click and join. The WhatsApp group is only for the mentorship students, where they can interact with one another, and where we interact one-on-one. So where is that link? All right. Yes, so I've posted the link on the chat if you're on YouTube. So I don't know if it's clickable, but yeah, it's there. You can even copy it and type it on your browser or whatever. Yes. Oh, I see. We also have people watching on Telegram, Telegram and YouTube. Wow, you guys, you're watching on Telegram and YouTube at the same time. Maybe you can notice that Telegram has, I think, a 1 minute or a 30-second delay. Oh, yes. So we were looking at NSDJPY. Yes. So this might take a while. This might take a while. You're a beginner. So I'm for beginners, you can be a beginner for like 1 year. So we have 1 year beginners here. We have 1 month beginners here. So if you're a beginner, welcome. By the way, if you're a beginner and you would like to learn more about the strategy, on Telegram, I have a free masterclass. So I've posted the link, and I'll post it again on the chat. Yes, you can go check out the free masterclass. It's self-explanatory. Self-explanatory. And those who are on Telegram also, yes. I know a lot of guys don't know we have a free masterclass. So if you're on Telegram, up there, up on your just where we have the subscriber count. Next is a pinned message. If you click on that, that's the masterclass. Very short and very explanatory. All right. So I see I'm still confused about your entry confirmation. All right. So the entry confirmation is very easy. So let me explain this. So the entry is more about understanding when the market is about to move, because the markets can stay in a range like we've seen on GBP AUD. Price is just in a range. So what you want to do is you want to get in as the price is ready now to start moving. So in our case, for example, here, we've not entered yet, but we see we have price came back to this level and gave us a higher low here. So we have this higher low here. So what we want to see is price coming back to this low and getting rejected. So that we have at least 2 bounces. So if this candle closes bullish, or even the next candle closes bullish, now we have 2 bounces. And so what that means is that price will now either stay within this range or continue in this direction or break out. So once price breaks below this level, then there's a very high probability price will just continue in that direction. And this happened beautifully yesterday on Euro GBP. It was not a very good setup for me because the range was not that good. However, price action is price action. So we were looking to buy. Now, in our timing window, so between 9 and 11 in the New York session, this was our level here. Because price had come back to this level, gave us a high, then came back to that high, got rejected. And so our thinking is, now we have a level and this pin, so up to that pin there. This is the area of rejection. And the moment this candle broke out and closed above that level. So this was a big pin. The trade was not very good, but price action is price action. You learn something. You could have targeted the high of the day. So the confirmation is once price breaks above and closes above our level. That's it. That's the entry. All right. So I see how much is one-on-one. Right now, the classes are full. But if you want to join the waiting list, join Telegram. I will send a link and then we can talk more there. USD card naona sales ya mwisho tafadhali. So, all right. So USD card, well, it's not on my sell list, meaning you have you're looking at the current price action during the day. Sales, I see a consolidation. Sales. Why would you want to trade a market that looks like this? All right, moving on. Which time frame is good to wait for confirmation? I only use the 15-minute time frame in everything. From analyzing the weekly cycle to drawing my levels, I only use the 15-minute time frame. I'll manage the trade on the 15-minute time frame. And this is just a personal preference. It's not like the 15-minute time frame is the silver bullet here. So, yes. Thinking of selling GBP USD if London takes out yesterday's high. So USD is down here. GBP USD takes out London high. It takes out yesterday's high. Yeah, you do you. I have nothing there. WhatsApp group, as I've said, let me post again the Telegram channel there. So I've posted the channel there. The WhatsApp group is only for the one-on-one students. All right, I see US 30. What of US 30? All right, beautiful. So US 30. All right, yes. So US 30, we are selling today. And this is not a very good range for me because how many pips? If from the high to the low is about 50 pips. Well, 50 pips in US 30 pips. So what I want to see is a big range. So if you compare US 30 and Solana, there's a very big difference. Because if you look at Solana, if we are to get a level here, and say, for example, we do get a level, and price breaks out like that. If you get in, then stop loss, say, above that candle. You can target a 1 to 2 easily. And you would have any stress. You know, this is a type of setup where you set and forget. Because if price does start going in your direction, and it must, if it's going in your direction, then there's a very high probability it will come to take liquidity at the low of the day. You will get triggered out, so you'll find money in your account. But if you look at DJ30, Still the same setup, but look at the range. So this is not a very high quality setup. And I'm sure probably what we'll see today is it might range, it might sell off, but if I am to trade US30, I want to see price first going higher. So maybe back to the high of the previous day or the high of the week. If price continues higher, then we might have a good sell opportunity. All right. Welcome, Simeon. I see we have gold. Gold. All right. So gold, I am not looking to trade gold today because we don't have a setup. But if you look at gold, we are consolidating. Now, this is not a very good setup for me. But yesterday, we had this move up. So this is a good example of a pump and dump setup. So we have an explosive move up. So if I see an explosive move up, I start licking my lips because I know I can counter trend this market and it might give me good returns. And then once I see this level here, so we have trapped volume up here. So we see we have the pump, we have this level where people are getting chopped out. So people are trying to buy, they are getting stopped out by all these weeks. And then boom, this was outside of our timing window, but as price is breaking out now, you get in, your stop loss above that candle, and then you target the low of the day. And there's a very high probability this price will continue in this direction. Now, this is, it's not like I don't trade this, but if you are to treat this as a level, then all you have to do is just you draw your level like that and make sure that you don't have a lot of pins, a lot of rejection pins like that. So we see the level is up to here. So if you are to sell, just wait for price to break below that level. That is how I would approach this. And it has very few confirmations. So yeah, that is what I think about gold. Yes. So what is NSD JPY saying? Yes, so I see we are, yes. I just need one bullish candle and that will confirm the level. if you're just joining us, welcome. We were waiting for this bullish candle to close to confirm our level. And on the charts, there is a link to the Telegram channel where you can have access to the free masterclass, understand the strategy. It's very self-explanatory, and also see the trades, because all the trades that I take, I post them on Telegram, so you can see the trades there. Follow along, see the results we've been getting. Yeah. Man de Muwede, welcome. I hope I've not butchered your name. Man, welcome. Guys are watching from both Telegram and YouTube. So how does that work? You have one on TV and one on the phone. All right. So there's a very high probability this one is going to continue in that direction. Anyway, what about Solana? Solana is breaking out. Now, Solana is breaking out, but we don't have the valid level, what I would call a valid level. So this is not a trade I'm willing to take if it closes as a breakout, although it might continue in my direction. I might be right, we are selling. But I have to stick to my rules. I have to stick to my rules. It's the rules that make me money. So yeah, Solana, you have really disappointed me. All right, so we have Solana. How about Bitcoin? So, all right, let's see that trade on the Euro USD. What happened? I knew it. Oh man. So yes, so this is why I don't take trades without higher time frame confirmation. Now, I'm not saying I don't have losers, but I like having controlled losers. So yeah, this one, yeah, yeah. Man, the market traps people. Wow. Wow. I hate these traps. All right, digital business. Welcome to the channel, first of all. Welcome to the stream. Now, the access to WhatsApp group is only for the one-on-one students. But for the rest of you guys, you have access to the Telegram channel, and the link is in the comments. I'll post it again. So yes, the Telegram channel has everything you need. It has the masterclass, the live streams. People are watching the live streams from Telegram also. Also the signals, they are free. So yes, the WhatsApp is only for the students. How about gold? Gold we were looking to sell. So now that price has broken below this level, so this would be a good opportunity if you are looking to trade gold. Then price, there's a very high probability price will continue back down to the low of this previous day as a continuation trade of yesterday's trade. So say, for example, you had gotten in on this trade here, stop loss above that candle, and then you are targeting your low of the day there. So usually this is the typical price action. So price will do whatever it wants. But if you are correct, price will still continue in the direction of the setup. So you'll find that you might get into a trade in the Asian session and you get the same setup where you have the big breakout, then price starts to range, and then before continuing in that direction. So yes, if you for those who are thinking about gold, I am very bearish on gold, but also keep in mind we are at the low of the day. But I'm very bearish on gold. But that is not a trade for me. So yes, now we have a valid level. We have a valid level here. We have this first bounce. We have this second bounce. So now all I am waiting for is price to break out and close below this level for me to get in and target the low of the day. So let me just even start preparing myself. Man, I appreciate digital business. I appreciate your feedback, man. This is what keeps us motivated. All right, so our main focus right now is an SDJPY, and yeah, this will probably not occur right now. Might take some time, but we are with you bumper to bumper. Solana broke out, or was it just, yeah. So now here's another thing. Before we talk about another thing, Rita, welcome. All right. So I see you're asking about USD JPY. So USD JPY, it's on the nothing category. So yeah, it's on the nothing category. So I see we are in an uptrend. We don't have any clear level. So yeah, so I'd say still USD is bullish. Now, I wanted to explain something on Solana. Now, the reason why we wait for two bounces. So if you compare the level of Solana here. So if you look at this level, we have only one bounce, and then the second bounce, when price came down, price broke below that level. So if you look at that and you compare that with NSD JPY, we have two bounces. So on Solana, the reason why we do not take a trade where we don't have a clear level is because this might be just a trap. So you get in, and then price proceeds to continue in that direction so that it gives you another level before now reversing in your direction. And I've been trapped in this type of setup so many times that now I cannot even dare to look at it. So that is why we have to wait for levels, for clear levels. That way, you only trade once price has a very high probability of moving, not trapping you. All right. So what other pairs do we have that are interesting? All right. So we are looking to buy GBP AUD. And price seems to be breaking out. But yes, now this one is another scenario where you see those days where you have narrow range days and then price starts moving explosively. This is one of those days where I think it's a pump and dump setup that sets it up. I think it sets up for a couple of days. So we have this dump on Friday, on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Now is the consolidation. But I don't like. Yeah, sure, you can trade this if you want, but for me, my preference is I'm a day trader. I like to trade that daily candle. So it's very hard for me to, and I'm also a reversal pump and dump trader. So I want to see the pump and dump setup, maybe the pump in the London session and then the dump in the New York session, or maybe the pump and the dump occurs in the same session. But these ones have high probabilities of continuing, of being very big moves. But I've not had a lot of experience with them, so I can't really talk about them the way that I talk about pump and dump setups and failed breakouts. Okay, I see we have representation from East London, South Africa. East London, South Africa. Huh. All right. Welcome, welcome, Luyanda. Welcome. Hmm. Yeah. It's very easy to know where the market is headed once it has already started moving. Karabo from Zazaza. Well, where is Zazaza? Is it Zambia or Zimbabwe or? All right. Monday, Monday, Monday Mugwede. Yeah, you're welcome, man. All right. Chukudi Ekekezi. Oh my God. I hope I did not butcher your name. You're asking Aussie dollar. All right. So let's look at Aussie dollar. Let's see what the story is behind. So it's not on my buy or sell list. So, all right. So now this one has already started moving. However, now, like if we look at the range, so what would you be trading here? Like seriously, we have price just consolidating. We don't have any range. We don't have any. We don't know whether this is a stop hunt back to this low that was set yesterday in the New York session. For this is very interesting because we also got a setup that looks like this. So yes, so we got a setup on Euro USD. Let me show you. So Euro USD had given us a very good buy scenario here. Only for price to reverse. And so this could be the same scenario on Aussie dollar, where this is a sell scenario once price starts breaking out. And so the moment price broke out, you get in stop loss there and say you are targeting a 1 to 2. Oh, it's the other way. Like that. And then turns out this is a stop hunt and price reverses in your direction. Who knows? Who knows? Calvin Brownson, welcome. I think the NSD JPY is making higher highs. So, all right. So if it's making higher highs, what does that mean? Where is NSD JPY? Oh, wait. You are talking about the pair we are watching. Now, okay, fair enough. It's making higher highs. Now, you do understand that we are we don't care whether price makes another high or not. What we do care about is the fact that we have a level, and we cannot take any trade until price comes back to our level. So until price comes back to that level and breaks out, it might go up. In fact, it might break out, and it's okay. Price does whatever it wants. It might break out of that high and then give us maybe another level. If it gives us another level, that's another place to get in. So as long as you have your level, whatever the market does, whether it's creating new highs or new lows, it doesn't matter. We already know our bias, we have our level, we wait. Yes, so if you are just joining the stream, again, welcome to the stream. Probably we'll be doing this every single day, every single session. And we do this daily on Telegram once we have setups. So I will post the link to the Telegram there so that if you have any issues, you have access to the free masterclass and other resources that are there. Yeah, so welcome. Wisdom. So what about USD? GBP USD, what about it? All right, so let's look at GBP USD. Now, keep in mind that the only reason I would buy or sell a particular pair is whether I have a signal day that tells me what to do. And clearly, there is no buy or sell signal on GBP USD. So what I'm going to offer is just the trading day scenario, like what is happening and what I would do if I had a signal day. So let's look at GBP USD and assume I was looking for an opportunity to buy because we are at the low of the day. So in this scenario, we would have already been stopped out because the buy had occurred here. So after this candle closed, stop loss below that candle, and I would be targeting the high, which is also this is not a trade I'm looking to trade. But anyway, that would have we would have already been stopped out. Now, if I'm looking to sell, then I don't have any setup. And so currently what I am looking at is just price consolidating. Price is just trapping people because it's going down, it's going up, it's going down, it's going up. Stop hunting everyone. So no clear level currently. I would just be waiting for the New York session to see what price action, what the story is by then. All right, Redmond, you're welcome. You're welcome. All right, so back to NSDJPY. So we are still waiting for these candles to break out. We still have like how many candles left? We have 4 candles left. So we still have 4 candles. Anything can happen. All right. Now, Bitcoin is looking very interesting because we had this low and price is coming back to this low again. So we have a situation where we can be creating a level now or not. Point being, if this candle closes as a pin, then what we would be expecting is price to go up and then continue down. But we have a lot of volume, so I don't think that is going to happen. And also I see Solana and Solana and Bitcoin are correlated. So this is interesting. All right, so this is also another example of if you were to add in positions. Say, for example, this was a trade you took. Here, we see we also have this low. And then this low was a level of rejection up to this area here. And so now we have another level down here. And so if you were to add in a position, say you got in here, as price is breaking out again, this is an area where you can add in a position as price is now headed back to the low of the day, because now we've crossed below another level, and also this is another level here. Like, there are so many levels where if we start breaking out, you can start adding positions as price is headed in your direction. Now, this one will only occur, this type of trading or this style of trading is most efficient when you are a full margin trader. That means when you come to the market, you already have a defined amount of money you are willing to lose. Say, for example, you have $1,000 you want to trade with. That is your account size. So rather than depositing all of your money on that particular account, you can divide it into maybe $50 chunks. And then when you come to the screen, you deposit $50 and you say, I am going to risk all of these $50 on this one trade. Meaning you have that freedom to add in as many positions as possible to squeeze the most amount of money you can make per trade. But now the upside is you make a lot of money, and then your stop loss is just you get liquidated when price goes against your direction. But you still lose that $50 that if you place a stop loss, still it's the same as putting a stop loss. So I think that's if you are confident in your trades, full margin trading is one way of maximizing how much you can make per particular trade. All right, so NSD JPY is not looking very good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to end the stream here. And since you guys, we've been together, you already know what we are waiting for. You'll just wait for the breakout. If it does not happen, I will see you guys in the New York session. You guys have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.